Oh, okay. So again, another question about the area, length, volume. So this is another fact for the R3, that if you have two vectors, u and v, these two vectors together form a parallelogram. And the area of that parallelogram defined by u and v is equal to, so this is a formula that you have to keep in mind. So you have two vectors, you can find the cross product of those two. This is a vector. Now, you can make a number out of that by finding its length, which will be positive number, and that number is the area of the parallelogram. That's actually one of the geometric interpretations of the cross product. But when it comes to the triangle defined by these two, what you need to notice is that the triangle defined by u and v, it has exactly half of the area of the parallelogram defined by u and v. So if we are interested in the area of the triangle defined by this, so area of triangle defined by u and v, this will be half of area of that parallelogram, which is given by length of u cross v and divided by 2 or multiplied by half. So this means that for this example, we need again to find u cross v, which is 3, -1, 0, cross 2, -1, 1. Again, we have three components, determinant minus determinant, and then the lasting determinant. So what are these numbers? We'll put u in the first row, v in the second row. Yes. And now cover the first column there. That will give me -1, 0, -1, 1. Yes. Then cover the second column. That will give me a 2 by 2 matrix 3, 0, 2, 1. For the third one, you cover the third column, which will give me matrix 3, -1, 2, negative. Okay. Now find the determinants of these guys. -1 times 1 minus 0 times -1, minus 3 times 1 minus 2 times 0, 3 times -1 minus 2 times negative. And this way, you have -1 minus 0, that is just -1. This guy is 3 minus 0 is 3, there's a negative sign there. And this guy here is -3 plus 2, which is negative. And what we found u cross v, now we have to find the length of u cross v. And that is length of vector. Square each component, add them, and find the square root of that. This will be 1 plus 9 plus 1, which is √11. √11 is area of the parallelogram. Area of the triangle defined by uv by u and v is half of that. So 1/2 times root 11, which is the same thing as root 11 over 2. And as you can see, this is the answer for us for this question. Okay. Any question, any comments here?
For the test tomorrow, we have to memorize the formulas, right?
Yes, all the formulas. Yes, you're right. There, you cannot use any aid, not calculator, no formula sheet, no book, no notes. You have to have all these formulas in mind.
Are we allowed to have blank paper?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Any other question?
Are the questions being asked just like solving, or are like any of them going to be like theory based?
Oh, well, you see, the questions I'm solving are very similar to the questions you will see in the test. So it will be more computational format.
Okay.
But the point is that this is multiple choice and we won't have access to your solutions.
Right, okay.
Your final answer is what will be marked.
And we have like 2 hours to write it, right? Or is it
90 minutes?
90 minutes. Okay.
You have 20 multiple choice question and 90 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, then we move.
Mr. Mayor?
Sure. Yes.
Just noticed in the practice test, there are some of those more extensive questions in like the last page or so, like questions 19, 20, 21.
Yeah.
Are those questions also going to be asked in a multiple choice format rather than show your work?
Yeah, all the questions, this is the new thing we are seeing. All the questions will be in multiple choice format. No short answer. Okay?